Alright, he brings the fish up on the table. And the first thing he does is cut right behind the gill. Then he goes up by the dorsal fin and slides down, and then slides down towards the tail and cuts that. Then he makes a hard cut at the back of the fish, and then sliding the knife up again, nice and easy. You want to make sure you got a super sharp knife to get this thing cleaned. And then we're going to come underneath by the belly, down by the far lower fin, and slowly work it off the bone. As you can see, he's being very careful. He wants to keep as much as possible. He cut a slit for his thumb so he can hold the fillet, throws it over there, and then his partner is going to go ahead and pull the skin off and cut the steaks out. As you can see, he grabs the skin, slides the super sharp knife over, feeds those to the pelicans, which they just love. Look at them fighting over that. Oh my God, that's like a free meal for those guys. And then he starts on the back of the fish, and he does the exact same thing. Sliding down the inside, cutting it over by the tail, working it across the top of the bones of the fish, and slipping it over, going in by the dorsal, sliding down to the very bottom, then coming back up to his first cut, and then slips his thumb in. Make sure he doesn't cut his thumb, and he's very carefully slicing off that big giant fillet off the top of that fish. And as you can see, he's working it by pulling it, and at the same time cutting nice and easy. Pulls it off, throws it over to his partner, and his partner is going to go ahead and cut it into steaks. And that is how you do it. That's how you prepare delicious amberjack fish. I don't think I would ever eat that. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on pelicans and amberjack and other stuff.